In this video, we listed the 5 best point-and-shoot cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Sony RX100 VII. The camera features a Zeiss-compatible mounting system and offers versatile aspect ratios of 16:9, 3:2, and 4:3, utilizing a 20.1MP 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor. It supports various file formats, including JPEG and RAW, with both optical and digital image stabilization to enhance photo quality. The lens boasts a maximum focal length of 72mm and an impressive 8x optical zoom with a maximum aperture of f/2.8. The camera excels in autofocus performance, featuring a high AF speed of 0.02 seconds, 357-point phase detection, and 425-point contrast detection for precise tracking. It allows for blackout-free shooting at up to 20 frames per second and employs AI-based real-time tracking for both stills and video, including eye autofocus for humans and animals. Additionally, it records 4K video with features like log3 and interval shooting, and includes a microphone jack and vertical position data recording, all while maintaining an operating temperature range of 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Canon PowerShot G7X. The Canon camera features a 20.1 megapixel 1.0-inch stacked CMOS sensor combined with a Digic 8 image processor, delivering high-quality images and videos. It is compatible with Canon EF mountings and offers a versatile 4.2x optical zoom lens, 24 to 100mm f/1.8-2.8, equipped with optical image stabilization for sharp captures. The camera supports various file formats, including JPEG and RAW, and excels in video performance with 4K at 30p and Full HD at 120p capabilities. Its metering modes include center-weighted average, multi, and spot, allowing for precise exposure settings. Additionally, users can transform their Canon camera into a high-quality webcam using Canon's EOS Utility Webcam Beater software, making it an excellent choice for both photography and live streaming applications. Number 3. Olympus TUF TG6. The Olympus TUF TG7 digital camera is a rugged and versatile device designed for harsh conditions, offering waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, crushproof, up to 100 kgf, and freezeproof, down to -10 degrees Celsius, capabilities. Weighing just 249 grams, it is lightweight and more portable than its predecessor. Featuring a Micro Four Thirds compatible mounting, a CMOS photo sensor, and digital image stabilization, it delivers high-quality images with a 4:3 aspect ratio. The camera includes a 4x optical zoom, a maximum focal length of 100mm, and a maximum aperture of 2mm, ensuring excellent performance for various photography needs. With an expanded ISO minimum of 100 and evaluative metering, it adapts well to different lighting conditions. Ideal for filmmakers, the TG7 supports MOV file format and offers creative options like panorama, 4K movie, and high-speed movie modes. Additionally, its variable macro system allows for capturing detailed close-up shots, making it an excellent companion for adventurous photographers and filmmakers alike. Number 4. Ricoh GR II. The Ricoh GR is a compact, high-performance camera designed for ultimate portability and versatile photography. Featuring a 40mm focal length that closely mimics the human field of view, it offers a unique perspective for capturing snapshots. Equipped with a 24.2MP APS-C CMOS sensor, GR lens, and the advanced GR Engine 6, the camera delivers exceptional image quality and rapid processing. It supports sensor shift image stabilization, a maximum aperture of f/2.8, and an expanded ISO range of up to 102,400 for enhanced performance in various lighting conditions. With high-speed hybrid autofocus and a quick startup time of approximately 0.8 seconds, it ensures responsiveness for capturing fleeting moments. Designed with improved controls while maintaining portability, the Ricoh GR is an ideal choice for photographers seeking a reliable and versatile snapshot camera. Number 5. Sony ZV-1. This product is a versatile Sony E-mount camera featuring a 20.1 MP stacked back illuminated 1-inch XMOR RS CMOS sensor with DRAM, paired with a large aperture 24 to 70 mm f1.8-2.8 Zeiss Vario Sonor T lens. It supports hybrid image stabilization and offers advanced autofocus capabilities, including fast hybrid autofocus, real-time eye autofocus, and real-time autofocus tracking. The camera includes a side flip-out 3.0-inch LCD screen that tilts for easy selfie composition, as well as modes for defocused background bokeh and a product showcase setting for smooth focus transitions. It supports multiple metering modes and file formats like JPEG and RAW, with an expanded ISO minimum of 64 for enhanced image quality. Additional features include a forward directional onboard MIC with a detachable windscreen, a 3.5mm MIC jack, and an MI shoe for expanded audio options. The camera is designed for temperatures between 0 degrees Celsius to plus 40 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and offers Bluetooth 4.1 connectivity for added convenience.